What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413, back with another one. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. So, what we got today? Oh, what's today? Oh, it's another DIY Wednesday. Yes, what another great day it is. So what we got today? We got another video from the great people over at T-Rex Fab. You know what I'm saying? TRexFab.com. Hit them up. You know what I'm saying? Check what they got. But what they sent me is something from a whole different company. You know what I'm saying? That's what they do, yo. They was like, they see potential in the channel. They like, yo, hit me up with an email like, yo, King Joffy Joe, I got another product for you. And you know me. What do you got? Let me get that. You know what I'm saying? King Joffy Joe. Broke out here. So, he was like, I got headers. I'm like, need those. Need those. He was like, yo, do you want headers? And I'm like, yeah. He was like, well, if you just ask really nicely, close your eyes and pray, you might get them one day. And I'm like, please, let me get those. Oh, shit. Yo, in no time, they sent these over. Like 3 days. I'm like, yo, it's next day shipping too. Like, y'all paying for that? I don't even pay for that. I'm broke. But either way, your boy got the Saber Turbo headers. He sent the Saber Turbo header. Shout out Saber Turbo for the headers. Having faith in me, seeing what we doing over here in the 413. So, awesome product. I could tell you looking at it, you could tell off the bat. They're bigger, nice and strong. Look at the weld. You know welds? If you know welds, you know welds. You know what I'm saying? These are some good welds. They got the brackets for putting in the heat shield. They gave you give me the hold on. Got some hardware. They gave you some hardware to give you a new little exhaust donut. Isn't that nice? Always nice to get one of those. We got clips that you put over the mounts for the heat shield. We also got a bracket here for the heat shield. Screw bolts welded to it. O2 sensor. So what we're gonna do today with this, guys, is we're gonna be wrapping it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little something different. You know what I'm saying? I ain't putting the heat shield back on here. Boop. I ain't doing it. Why not? I'm gonna do something different. You know what I'm saying? I ain't seen no one do this. So we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna throw a red wrap on here. Exhaust heat wrap. Alright guys. So, you know what I'm saying? Had to go back. Oh, there's Mike right there. My boy Mike's here. So the word I was looking for was gas scavenging. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know that word. Y'all know what I'm talking about now. I don't even gotta explain it. Everybody know what gas scavenging is. Alright. Psych. But what it is so when the cylinder goes down and the explosion and it has all those gases in there, when the gases come out, they come out at a speed. So 90% of that gas is gonna come out. When you got 100, if you had a 100cc cylinder and that gas scavenging, when the gas is trying to come out, only 90% of that gas is coming out. So if you get the gases hotter by having it wrapped on your exhaust, it's gonna keep the exhaust hotter. It's gonna make those gases come out. You're gonna get more efficiency in your cylinder. So you're gonna get closer to that 100%, 100 cc's instead of 90 cc's that you're getting. You're not gonna get a complete 100. The benefits of doing that is really not noticeable. So it's really not really something you're doing for noticeable difference unless you have a turbo motor. Turbo motors, they use a lot of heat, and superchargers use a lot of heat to spool and stuff like that. So that's where we're gonna get more benefits at. We're gonna cut, we're gonna wrap this. All right, so you can wrap that in. All right, guys, so, you know what I'm saying, Mike came here, you know what I'm saying, he got scared of the dog, Normac, he's scared. I know Normac's a baby. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap this. So what I'm doing is cutting these brackets off. Yo, Saber, yo, I know y'all like sent me this nice thing. It had nice welds, had these brackets welded here. Cutting them off. Already cut this one off. Cut this one off. I'm about to cut this one off. It's gonna help my wrap. You know what I'm saying? But what I'm thinking is, Saber, you have an option there. Boom, a little click down. Boop, boop, click down. One with brackets, one without brackets. Because after I do this, after I do
You're
this.
saying their name right? You know, like Sober Turbos.
Silver?
It's Silber.
So what is it then?
Sober Turbos.
So you should have said that the first time. Why didn't you tell? Why you wait till halfway through the video to correct me? You know what I'm saying?
Because I think it's like sober, y'all. I'm just saying.
What is it?
It's Silber.
So why didn't you tell me that at the first beginning? I don't understand. Dude makes me make a half a video saying the wrong name and then he corrects me at the end. Like, Silber?
I think that's what it is.
Silber, Tabor, they know what I'm talking about. I'm going to put the name down every time I say it now.
There you go.
And I'm going to leave this part in here where he let me say the name 100 times wrong.
I don't care, man.
I know, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of fucked up, though. You know what I'm saying? It's like, yo, why couldn't you look out at the beginning? Like, they looked out. You know what I'm saying? They looked out and sent me this. But, so, what we going to do is, what I say, always throwing me off track. You know what I'm saying? What was I talking about? Anyone know?
Rapping it.
No, I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about the click down. I was
talking
talking about the click down. All right, so what I was saying was y'all should have a drop down. You know what I'm saying? Hit a button, boom, drop it down where you can have an option. One with the brackets, one without the brackets. You know what I'm saying? The one without the brackets, like $10 cheaper. You know what I'm saying? Because we like saving money out here. You know what I'm saying? That's why I do DIY, save money. So what I'm going to be doing is cutting these off. Taking my little, I don't got a grinder, so I'm not going to be grinding nothing. I'm not trying to get too close when I cut them. I'm going to just cut them off and take my file and file them down so the sides are not sharp and wrap it up. All right, so right now, I took my wrap. I got it soaking in water, so when you want to soak your wrap in water, what we're doing is using a 1 inch. We're going to use the 1 inch for here. I might use 2 inch for the bottom. I might go 2 inch all the way down. I mean, from the midsection, from here. From here, we might go 2 inch down, but we're gonna do 1 inch at the top. You soak it in water, so when you're putting it on, it stretches. We got a little piece we can show you it right here. So we're gonna start at the top. We're gonna work our way down. So how you're gonna start it is we're gonna fold it like this. We're gonna fold the first part over, and we're gonna wrap it around like this. This piece is obviously not long enough. We're gonna end up cutting pieces, strips, probably like 10-foot strips since I bought 50-foot. We're gonna go around like so. So your first one, we're gonna wrap it around. And we're gonna line it up to where we want it. We're gonna want to start at the bottom. We don't want to see that, you know what I'm saying? So once we get that like that, we're gonna throw a zip tie on here. They have the metal zip ties. I have the metal ones that came with it, but we're gonna use a plastic one. You wanna hand me one of those plastic ones, Smitty? Smitty 413 here, guys. You know what I'm saying? Give a round of applause for Smitty. You know what I'm saying? All right, so, well, I'm not even gonna, oh, this is a reusable one, nice. This guy's using his head, huh? That's a first. All right, so we're gonna throw this zip tie on here. This is not even the one I'm gonna be using. I gotta cut another one because this one was too short. So that's gonna hold my first there. So we're gonna wrap it over. And you wanna keep this tight when you're wrapping it. And we're gonna go all the way around. All the way around. We're just gonna keep going tight all the way down. Keep it tight. All right, so I'm actually gonna take this piece off and cut another piece. I'm gonna throw you on a time lapse, and then you're gonna watch me do this in time lapse real quick. All right? Check it. All right.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, guys, so, as you can see, you know what I'm saying? Don't hate on me, yo. This is my first time ever in my life rapping this. I did some YouTube videos watching. I watched some YouTube videos and learned how to do this. This is what I came up with. I'm gonna cut these off right now. You know what I'm saying? I got it wrapped up. Whew. Whew. You seen it first here. King Joffy Joe 413. We got D-Roll 3. We got Smitty 413. We got Mike 860. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, yo, they got different colored wraps, yo. You got your bike purple. You want purple. You want blue. You want green. Your boy went with the red. First wrapped in the fucking game, yo. No lie, yo. It ain't 100%, yo. I might have to redo it, but I learned from my first try. You know what I'm saying? Smitty gonna grab some. I'm gonna practice on his again, and then I'm gonna take mine back off and redo them the right way. That's how we gonna do it. You feel me? All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be spraying some silicone on these. So if you're gonna do this right away, you can take a heat gun, dry these out, and then you spray silicone on it. That's gonna help them a little water resistant, add a little extra water resistant on it. But Amazon was supposed to drop my spray off, and they haven't dropped it off yet. So we're gonna let this dry for now, and once the spray gets here, we're gonna spray it on. So check out our next week's video. Next week we're gonna be installing this. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be the first wrapped headers on the Ryker. You know what I'm saying? Killing them. No exhaust cover. We're not putting that back on. No shield. And the week after, next week after we install this, what we installing? Show them what we installing. Saber Turbo. Cyber Turbo! Yo, shout out to T-Rex, yo, for hooking your boy up, yo. They always hooking me up, yo, 100%. T-Rex Fab. Make sure you check them out, because they, you know what I'm saying, they're looking out. You know what I'm saying? Without them, there would be no me. Actually, without y'all, would it be no me. If I had no subscribers, you know what I'm saying, what would I be doing? I'd be making videos for myself, maybe for my mom. King Joffy Joe 413. Check out the website, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you get yourself a Brandon King exhaust if you're looking for exhaust, best exhaust in the market, you know what I'm saying? Louder than your mom last night. Not my saying his. You know, we got that, oh! Guess what else we got coming out, guys? We don't got coming out, but guess what we got? Holograms. Y'all need holograms for your bike? Got those coming soon. Keep an eye for the video. If you use your code at the Hologram Ryker guy, you know what I'm saying? Use the King Joffy Joe, gonna save yourself $5. So make sure you use that code. King Joffy Joe, save yourself $5. It helps the channel out a little bit. Alright guys, to the next one. Peace.